Well, good morning everybody and welcome to another video. Today, actually a different kind, because I want to do a bit more vlogging and I want to take you through my day with me. Just show you what I'm up to. It's the weekend actually, as you can see, quite white, which is nice. A bit of snow recently. So yeah, since it's the weekend, let's kick things off, hit the gym, and I will take it from there. So I'll see you over there. We're starting off with the morning workout. Not really the morning because it's a weekend. So I already had my 2 coffees to get me started. Now I'm going to hit the gym. I'm going to do a cardio workout. We're going to run for around 1 hour, 10, 12 kilometers. So we'll see how it goes. And in general, I just want to take you with me on my day. I haven't done that before, so I want to do a bit more vlogging. And yeah, just see, what I'm doing, what I'm up to. Share some tips with you. And hopefully it will be useful for you. And but ask me any questions in the comments below. I just, want to involve you a bit more. And I don't know, I enjoy these kind of things. I like to watch them. So I thought, why not share some of the parts of my day as well with you. And that's a wrap, guys. Finished my workout now. Really good one, good run. So you can see here today we did actually 10 kilometers, 53 minutes. Really happy with it. Easy run. And yeah, definitely good one in the books. So now time to load up, get some food in the system. And the cool thing is, just double click the Apple Watch and use it to pay. Boom, done. And that's it. I really love how easy it is to do the shopping here. In Lithuania, everything is digital. It's so nice. Like literally there's so many bars and restaurants and places that don't even accept cash anymore. So everything is digital. And yeah, that's lovely for me because I love everything digital. And yeah, just always, makes me appreciate how nice it is using Apple Pay, or if you use Google Pay. Together with Revolut, it's just so easy now. I can use it on my watch, and even if I forget my phone, I can still pay it. So that's really amazing. And yeah, really cool. So right now, heading back home, and I'm gonna cook some nice, delicious food, Lithuanian food actually, with my wife. Really something I started to love is Lithuanian rašketukai, which is basically cottage cheese, really high protein, healthy, and still tasty. So yeah, let's go there and let's get it done. Alright, let's head back home and make some delicious brekkie. It is a lovely city, isn't it? I mean, I really love Vilnius. I mean, really, it's a hidden gem of Europe. Such a cozy little city, especially in winter. And actually, they came up with a cool marketing campaign. They called Vilnius the G-spot of Europe. It's hard to find, but once you do, it is incredible. So yeah, really nice spot, definitely recommend it. Here's the best part of coming back home. This little dachshund right there. Always happy. Always happy to see me. Yes, always happy to see me. Cheers. Little Nutella. Patiently waiting. Dave, my zoete. Labs. How are you, little munchkie? Yes. Yes, yes. Always happy. And the wifey also always happy? Yeah. That's nice. Say hi to the followers. Also, one cool thing I started doing is fasting more and more. So my goal is to at least once or twice a week to have 16-hour fast. So right now you can see are closing in on that. And so even on a fasted state to work out is definitely not easy sometimes because you feel super hungry. But actually you get so much more, endorphins and feel light and fresh. And I really love it. So in the beginning it's a little bit tricky, but the longer I do it, actually gets easier. And I really love the feeling and benefits it gives me, and obviously also helps with losing weight. So yeah, really love it and definitely recommend it. And the app for that is called Zero. Really nice, free to use. And yeah, basically it's a little widget that lives over here. As you can see, I can see already how much time has elapsed. And after 16 hours, so in 18 minutes, I'll get a notification. And by the way, that's also pretty cool. It tracks all my coffee intake. So yeah, really nice to keep me healthy and focused. So here are the goodies. As you can see already, starts looking very tasty. A few more minutes, I'll be good to go. All right, let's have a coffee before we start checking the numbers and finances for today. And of course, I'm going to go ahead and log it in my app. So just going to click over here, Estreto, and boom. Right away, as you can see now, if I open it up over here, I had 3 coffees today. That's how much caffeine is in my system. All right, so with this, let's check onto my investments, see how they've been doing. Usually I check once or twice a week, but now with my new app, Get Twin, I actually do it a bit more often because I have it on the app, which is really nice, easy to check on the go. So yeah, I've been really enjoying that. So yeah, let's hop over and see what it looks like for now. So yeah, here we are in Get Twin. Really, really cool website. I transitioned all my portfolio over there. It basically links up with all my various brokers, as you can see here. Interactive brokers, I have Trading 212, Trade Republic, and now even you can add your Ethereum, your Bitcoin, etc. That's really cool, really enjoy it. And yeah, that's nice to see that over here. Overall, if I go year to date, I'm really up. Unfortunately, that number is not really real because sadly, Bitcoin doesn't come with the history. So you can see I'm up 20K. I wish I was, that would be a very nice number. But sadly, that just pulls in the buys. So it doesn't really measure buy-in price versus actual price. So that's a little bit diluted. So I should really look into just interactive brokers, where's my biggest holding. But still, if I go over here year to date, up 2K, not too shabby, not too shabby. And then over here, you can see also the performance. If I go into that, I can look into 23. And you can see really, so far, a very strong November actually, which is not good to see. Plus 1.7K. And because the last few months were not really happening that much. And yeah, overall, definitely, as you can see, very good results. So I'm really happy with this. And if I go, for example, into all my positions, I can either have it for intraday or all time. So if I filter by all time and then by P&L, I can see here basically my biggest losers for now. I'm a long-term holder, so it wouldn't really call it loser, but temporarily down, let's say. So we have Pfizer, obviously, with quite a difference. LVMH, a little bit down. We have Realty Income as well. I should actually filter that again. Realty Income, we have Vici down a little bit. When I go to my winners, you will also see, the number one is actually Blackstone. So that was quite surprising for me to see. Same as Munich Re, which is a German reinsurance company, and not many people heard of. And of course, then you have some of the tech companies with Apple up 174 euros, and the S&P 500. Who would have thought? That's why they always say dollar cost average into the S&P. Can't go wrong with that. So yeah, overall really nice, and I'm really happy. Of course, as you know, I'm a big dividend investor. So if I go here into my 2023 dividends, for December is now projected to be 107 euros. So that would be my highest ever dividend payout in a month. Really happy about that. And to see all the various, payments that I'll be getting in December from the various companies. So again, Get Quinn makes it so easy to track. Really love it. And as I said, even on the go, I could just open the app over here. Really easy to track that. So yeah, really love it. I have here all my various portfolios. I can have a look at my active brokers portfolio, which makes it just so easy and seamless to go through. And yeah, honestly, now I definitely check it a bit more often than I should. But still, since I'm a long-term investor, I'm not really getting any FOMO if it's up or down. But it's still nice to see, on the go how things are going. What's the return? With Bitcoin, one thing to keep in mind, sadly, since I'm using Ledger wallet right now, they kind of disguise your public address. So you have to add a couple of those addresses. So I don't have all Bitcoin holdings in one. So in total, as you can see, I have now 5 different wallets added. That's obviously done to protect you. So in a way, it's good by Ledger. And but that way you don't see any history, etc. But at least I still have it in my aggregate. I can see here my overall Bitcoin holding. If I go into all my positions, and you'll see here Bitcoin, of course, being right now my biggest size in the portfolio. So see how super fast and quick the check-in is. And honestly, you can do it on the go anywhere. And of course, especially tracking the dividends gets you so much more excited to buy more of it, see the number going up over time. And yeah, I just want to keep on doing this over time, and let's see where it takes me. All right, now it's time to get a bit of work done, catch up on the weekend on the stuff that I didn't manage to do in the week. And let's get stuck in. Look at that. Beautiful white snow. Absolutely love it. So nice. And look who's excited about that. Opa. Little Nutella. Loving the snow. So nice, guys. I mean, we have so much snow here. Actually, there's snow mountains in Vilnius, just outside the airport, where you can actually go and ski after work. So yeah, super fun. Love it. About to get ready to set up the Christmas tree as well. And in the meantime, as you know, or might know, I'm a huge F1 fan. So that's why I'm actually watching right now. We have an amazing race tonight in Abu Dhabi, which is an amazing place. Actually, the only racetrack that I've been to when I was living in Dubai. I used to go there in the weekend. Amazing racetrack, so much fun. And yeah, I'm a huge F1 fan. And if you are a Lewis Hamilton fan, then please unsubscribe from my channel right now. Actually, I'm just joking. I'm not really particular about anyone. I just support the best driver. But in general, I just love the passion that goes into it, optimizing the smallest details to improve, hundreds of a second, thousands of a second. And yeah, for me, it's just inspiring to see. I love the whole sport and even the events around it. So it's super fun. So yeah, gonna kick back and have one of those bad boys. And no, this is not actually beer, because actually I pretty much cut out alcohol from my life, but this is kombucha. Super nice, super healthy, and really love it. So it's a good alternative to beer if you enjoy drinking beer but want to live a bit healthier. All right, so I'm going to kick back with this, watch the race, and let's see who's going to come out on top. All right, guys, it's been a long day. I'm about to head to bed, but before I do, there's one more thing I always do. I started doing this recently after listening to one of Huberman's podcasts, which is amazing. The guy is brilliant. If you want to improve your health, definitely listen to him. But yeah, basically the thing is that I pop 3 of these bad boys every night before sleep, half an hour. And yeah, it's magnesium. And if you do buy it, make sure it's magnesium glycerate, because the citrate is the cheap one, but doesn't actually have the same effect. So if you want to sleep well, it's super, super good. I sleep so much better. I obviously track my sleep with my Apple Watch, and I can really see the changes it does to my sleeping patterns. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this kind of video. If you want to see more of this, let me know in the comments down below so I know if I should do more of it or not. Next up, check out this video over here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao.